Good morning, ma'am. I am Veerajita, BJC first year. I am giving seminar. My topic is Puccinia. Puccinia is a very important topic. Semester examination. Puccinia division Eumycota, subdivision Basidiomycotina, class Teleomycete, order Uridanales, family Pucciniaceae. Puccinia is an obligate parasite. Puccinia cause red rust disease on wheat plant. Puccinia parasite on two plants. Primary host wheat plant. Secondary host is barberry plant. Puccinia graminetritis cause black rust disease in wheat. Puccinia styriform cause yellow rust or strip rust. Puccinia graminetes recondita orange or brown rust on wheat plant. Puccinia is life cycle or reproduction. There are 5 important stages. First zero stage are called spermagonial stage or receptive hyphae stage. Stage 1 acial stage, stage 2 uridinal stage, third stage is teleal stage, fourth stage basidium stage. The acial stage and spermagonial stage are seen in barberry plant. Acial stage and spermagonial stage, zero stage and first stage are seen in barberry plant. Iridospore stage and teleal stage, the second stage and third stage are found in wheat plant. Finally, fifth stage, basidium stage, or occur in soil or earth. Basidiomycotina members exhibits 3 types of life cycle. They are macrocyclic life cycle and semi-macrocyclic life cycle, microcyclic life cycle. The first one is macrocyclic life cycle. The life cycle with 5 stages is called macrocyclic life cycle. What are they means? The first zero stage and first stage zero stage, spermagonial stage are receptive hyphae stage, acial stage, uridinal stage, teleal stage and basidium stage. These 5 are called macrocyclic life cycle. Usually Puccinia show macrocyclic life cycle. Semi-macrocyclic life cycle means ఇప్పుడు semi means half of the semi means half macrocyclic life cycle. It shows semi. Out of the 5 stages, there are 5 stages. In above 5, there are 5 stages. In the 5 stages, in these stages, uridinal stage is absent. Uridinal stage, second stage is absent in semi-macrocyclic life cycle. So it is known as called semi-macrocyclic life cycle. Macrocyclic life cycle. Third one is macrocyclic life cycle. Uridinal stage and teleal stage. Uridinal stage, the second stage and third stage are stages are absent in this macrocyclic life cycle. Second stage and third stages are absent in the microcyclic life cycle. That means they only present are 3 stages. The first zero stage, acial stage and basidium stage are present in microcyclic life cycle. Micro means very small particles. Puccinia macrocyclic life cycle. Puccinia shows which type of cycles means macrocyclic life cycle. It is zero stage. First stage is zero stage or spermagonial stage or receptive hyphae stage. It is a basidophores infect on barberry plants or leaf. Basidophore infect on barberry leaf through upper epidermis. When upper epidermis through stomata and germinate. Every plant has a leaf. In the leaf we can see stomata are present and germinate to develop new mycelium. The stomata germinate and develop new mycelium. It is a well developed mycelium. Which type of mycelium? Well developed mycelium. Below the stomata form flux shaped structure. Which shape? Flux shaped structure. These are called spermagonium. These are called flux shaped structure. These are called spermagonium. Earlier these were called phainicidium. These are called phainicidium. Spermagonium. Apical region has opening hostils. Apical region opening through hostil. Around the hostils parahyphae are present, in which some of the acts has receptive hyphae. Some of the act has they have behave. Act means they have behave like a receptive hyphae. These spermagonium basal region and lateral region. Spherical row. Basal region and lateral region are spherical row of pointed hyphae or form. These are called spermatophore. Basal region or lateral region both are called spermatophore or unicellular. These are unicellular. It is a unicellular and uninucleate. Unicellular and uninucleate cell. Form each spermatophore apex chain. It is a spermatophore apex chain. Spermatia are produced. Spermatophore apex chains are spermatia are produced, which are also spermatophores are produced spermatia. It is also unicellular and uninucleate. We are observe clearly. It is a unicellular and uninucleate. Spermatophores also unicellular and uninucleate. Spermatia also unicellular and uninucleate. These are non-motile or spermatia. Non-motile means some flagella. Flagella like without flagella is a present of flagella means motile. Without flagella means non-motile. Or released. Spermatia are non-motile. Spermatia are released through hostils. When are they are released? Hostils along with sweet substance, along with honey-like sweet substance. Hostils also released along with sweet substance also released. Secreted by spermatogonium. It also secreted spermagonium insects. Why are they are released honey-like sweet substance? Because of they are attracted by insects. So we are observe some example for honey-like sweet substance. Some insects or like ants are attracted by the sweet substance. That like insects also attracted by the sugar secretions and help in the disposal and spermatia. With help of these sugar secretions, disposal of spermatia. Spermatia when reaches the receptive hyphae. Spermatia reaches receptive hyphae and spermagonium cell wall dissolve and nucleus. Spermagonium cell wall dissolve and nucleus. Spermatia The spermata enter the receptive hyphae and form dichorionic condition. Dichorionic means binucleate, two nucleus. It is a uninucleate, is a two binucleate, two nucleus are present, those are called binucleate. Stage 1 is our ACL stage. Stage 1 is called ACL stage. Dichorionic or binucleate, we are run binucleate. Bi means two nucleates, we are called binucleate stage. On receptive hyphae undergo division. Receptive hyphae undergo division and develop dichorionic mycelium. Dichorionic means binucleate, two nucleate mycelium is developed. These binucleate hyphae spread to the lower surface of the barberry leaves. Lower surface of the barberry leaf. The example of one of the plant, it is the upper surface, the lower surface. They spread to the lower surface of the plant body. This dichorionic mycelium develop a inverted shaped structure. It's called ascidium. Inverted shape is called ascidium. Binucleates asciospores are produced in basipetalous sequence. Binucleate spores are produced. They are present in basipetalous sequence. Each asciospores are binucleate. Each one asciospores are binucleate by two nucleates. Binucleate means two nucleates. Or hexagonal. They are hexagonal. And orange in color. They are which color? Orange in color. So at this stage orange colored. In this ACL stage orange color is present. Spots are seen in lower epidermis. Some spots. Plants has plant has spots. If it is a leaf. It has some spots. These like spots are present. These like spots are present. These like spots are seen in lower epidermis. Spots are seen in lower epidermis. So this stage also called bunch ball stage. Bunch means, example of bunch is grapes. Example, grape bunch. Asciospores cannot infect barberry plant. Asciospores, the first stage asciospore cannot infect the barberry plant. They can infect the primary host wheat plant only. It is a very important point. Asciospore not infect the barberry plant and it infect the wheat plant. These type of questions are asking our in our practicals. Some madams or sirs asked the asciospores infect the barberry plants, infect or not? They are not infect. They are infect only primary host wheat plant only. Second stage, uridinal stage. Second stage are called uridinal stage. Asciospores when fallen on a healthy wheat plant leaves. Healthy plant are fallen. When fallen they are leaf. Through stomata they enter inside of the host. Asciospores are fallen on the healthy wheat plant and the stomata they can enter inside. They are enter inside the stomata host and germinate the developed mycelium. They germinate developed mycelium. In the intercellular space host tissue, mycelium absorb nutrients from the host cells. It is an important point. Absorbs intercellular space of the host mycelium absorb the nutrients. Mycelium grow vertically. Mycelium grows. The mycelium is grow vertically. The mycelium grow vertically. Some of the zoospores on the sporangiospores are develops oval shaped. Sporangiospores these sporangiospores developed oval shaped iridospores. These are developed oval shaped iridospores. Unicellular and binucleate. These are unicellular and binucleate. Each iridospore has 4 germospores. Each one iridospores has 4 germospores. Iridospores are produce large number of iridospores. Iridospores produce large number of iridospores in which is red, that is a red and brisk colored. They are red and red colored. Iridospores produce large number of large number of iridospores. These are iridospore stage cause red rust disease. Rust means or long-lived iron particles in storage particle. They are seen a rusting like seeing. Thus that like the plant of the leaf also seeing like rust disease. Stage 3rd, teleal stage. Iridospores when fallen on healthy wheat plant. Iridospore when fallen healthy wheat plant. Leaf germinate and develop dichorionic secondary mycelium. It is the first we are learn about the stages or primary. It is now this 3rd stage is secondary mycelium. Develop the dichorionic secondary mycelium. By dichorionic means binucleate secondary mycelium in the host. Intercellular space, successive development in the same iridospore formation. In the successive iridospores are formed, but inside of iridospores formation of teleospores. Inside the iridospores, it is a main point. Iridospores inside the iridospores formation of teleospores are produced. The teleospores are spindle shaped. They are spindle shaped. Black in color. They are black in color. Very thick. They are thick. Thick-walled, bicelled. Thick-walled. They are spindle shaped, thick-walled, and bicelled. Each binucleate. Each one has binucleate. This spore has 2 germospores. Each one has 2 germospores. At teletospore formation stage, being the spores are black. Formation of teletospores, the spores are black in color. It has black streaks on the infected leaf, petal, and stem. Of host this stage is black rust stage. It is a black rust stage. Teletospore undergo resting period. Teletospore undergo resting period in autumn season, and they are germinate the spring season only. The stage, the stage is the stage fourth basidial stage. Teletospore germinate in the beginning of the spring season. Beginning means starting of the spring season. Only germinate. Teletospores or germinate only beginning of the spring season. Teletospore outer cell wall absorb moisture from atmospheric, and they are absorb. Teletospores outer wall absorb moisture from atmosphere and become soft. They are become soft. Inner wall inner wall developed as narrow tube. Inner wall developed narrow tube. Inner wall developed narrow tube. This narrow tube is called primary mycelium. Inner wall developed narrow tube. This narrow tube is known as called primary mycelium. Teletospore cell is called hypobasidium, and both are together. Teletospore cell is called hypobasidium, and both are together. Both are together is called basidium. Both are together basidium. Two nucleus are present. In this, two nucleus are present. 1 and 2. Two nucleus are 1 nucleus and 2 nucleus. And two nucleus are present in the teletospores. Cells are fused. They are fused. Cells are fused. This like the cells are fused to each other. The cells are fused and form diploid nuclei. Diploid nuclei. The cells are fused and form a diploid nuclei. Diploid means diploid nuclei. To an diploid nuclei is formed. Diploid nuclei form undergo mitotic division and to form 4 haploid nucleus. After first they are form diploid nucleus, then they are undergo mitotic division and to mitotic division and to form 4 haploid nucleus. After the meiosis, separating the nucleus septa. After they are after meiosis, separating the nucleus septa from and make 4 cells. The meiosis separating the septa and they makes 4 cells. 4 cells narrow. Now these form phragmobasidium. Now these are called phragmobasidium. 4 sterigmata. 4 sterigmata. 4 spores. 4 sterigmata and 4 spores are produced. Spores 2 are plus state. Spores 2 are positive strains. Positive strain. 2 spores are positive strains and 2 spores are negative strain. These basidospores are released in the soils. Finally, basidospores released in the soil, attached to the barberry plant to start the life cycle. And again, we can observe the diagrams of the Puccinia. Diagrams of the Puccinia. It is a uridinal stage on beet plant. These are iridospore. These are iridospores. Iridospores are produced iridosaurus. Iridospores. It is a stalk cell. It is a mycelium. It is a mycelium. Iridospores are produced iridosaurs. It is a wheat plant with red rust disease. It is a wheat plant. It causes red rust disease. Rust postul. It is a leaf. The spores and germ spore and stalk cell. The teleal stage. Then teleal stage. The teleal stage has mycelium, stalk cells, and teletospores are present. And in this teleal stage, one of the cell is differentiated, and to see we are seeing this one of the teleal cell. It is a stalk cell, teletospore. This is a called teletospores. This is a binucleated spore. It is one nucleus and two nucleus. Both are called binucleate spores. It is a basidium basidial stage in soil. It is a metabasidium. And second one is phragmobasidium. First one metabasidium, then phragmobasidium, and basidiophores are sterigmata. The barberry leaf. Then we are seeing barberry leaf. The postals of Asia. The leaf. It has seen under microscope. This structure is we are observed. These are called spermatia. These are receptive hyphae. It is a parahyphae. These are upper epidermis. This is phainicidium. These small particle, spear shaped or these are called seen or like phainicidium, spermatophores, and then our axial stage of barberry leaf. It is a lower epidermis. We are observe. It is a lower epidermis. It is a stalk cell. It is a stalk cell. It is a acidium. These are called axial cell wall. It is a cell wall. It is a disjunct acium. The infected leaf of transfer section. It is a infected leaf of transfer section. We are discuss our Puccinia topic is completed, and now we are revise again the Puccinia. Puccinia is a disease. Puccinia is a disease. It has causes two hosts, primary host and secondary host. Primary host wheat plant, secondary host is barberry. Barberry plant, it has 5 stages. It has reproduction. Reproduction is present in 5 stages. First one, 0 stage. Stage 1, 0 stage is spermatogonial stage, and stage 1 astial stage. Stage 2nd is uridinal stage. 3rd stage is teleal stage, and fifth stage is fourth stage is basidium stage. It has microcyclic life cycle, and it has microcyclic life cycle, semi-microcyclic life cycle, microcyclic life cycle. It has first one macrocyclic life cycle. It has a 5 stages. 5 stages is called a microcyclic life cycle. It is semi-microcyclic life cycle. In this life cycle absence of uridinal stage, and microcyclic life cycle teleal stage and uridinal stage are absent, so it is also called microcyclic life cycle. Puccinia shows a macrocyclic life cycle. It has 5 stages. First stage spermagonial stage, and second stage is axial stage, and on third stage is teleal stage. Fourth stage is basidial stage. Finally, as a result, we are observe 4 spores are released in the basidial stage. 2 are positive strains, 2 are negative strains in the cells are observed. Then they are released in soil. They can attach the barberry leaf, the life cycle is again start. The seminar is completed. This opportunity is given. The ma'am is very thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Seminar is complete.